Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I booked a profit of roughly 9% in a stock. I had used RSI 40 to 60 strategy. So this is the video in my channel which gives kind of like all the necessary information for this strategy. So you can come to my channel and watch this video. And today I'm going to explain using this strategy how I executed the trade in one of the stock and how it ended up giving me a return. So let's get into the Excel file where I have captured all the information. You see, I had given this name Nifty Next 50. Okay, NN50 is Nifty Next 50 stocks. These are the stocks I select for this strategy. So it's a very simple strategy, RSI 40 to 60. I know, like after doing a lot of complex strategies, we may end up looking for a simple strategy which works well, but it's a little boring. We need to have a patience to get some decent return. If you see, I entered on 22nd March and exited today. Roughly, it took 21 days and gave me a 9% profit. So I'm just masking quantity and the amount in my entire video because for you and me, what matters is the strategy and the percentage return, right? This 9% I got in this JSW, but it may vary. You may get 5% or even you may get 20% in some time. And the days, number of days, 21 days, but even it varies. So during a very bull market, you may achieve a decent profit in a short period of time. Sometime it may take some more time, but which is okay. But the ultimate goal is to earn a decent return uh, by sitting for few days. That is the ultimate goal. If you see, this is the Zerodha screenshot I captured today. This morning 9:16, as soon as market opened, I booked a profit. So I was waiting yesterday to book a profit, but I thought let's pause for next day and then see the moment and then exit it because yesterday itself it had crossed 60. It has touched 60, so I was waiting for one more day, and then I took decision today as soon as market opened. And then this is the a screenshot. Why I'm giving this screenshot? Just to make sure I'm giving a correct information. So I'm giving you the information which I traded, not something just like a concept. Concept is there, RSI 40 to 60, but how I applied that and with a screenshot which may help you to get more confidence to take if you want to take a trade in future. Make sure I'm not giving you any recommendation. I'm giving you the information which I do, which I traded past. So it happened today. Thought to share today. So March 22nd, I bought at 662.4, which I captured here and then exited today at 722, which gave me 9% profit. So let me get into chart and show you that all the information. If you see, okay, before chart, I use the Dhan, tv.dhan.co is something, it had a interface with the trading view and it gives me a like some more feature like if you see these blue lines, if you see these blue lines, not only red and green, these are boring candles. If you know boring candle, then you may feel this is a good feature because this is not available in normal trading view. Even any other broker trading view, if you use trading view from Zerodha, this feature is not there. So that's why I like this blue color candle gives me a kind of conviction where the tug of war between buyers and sellers is very tough, very kind of very hard tug of war is happening. So that gives me a sense of taking a position. So that's why I use Dhan. And in case if you open account using my Dhan, then the only benefit you are going to get is I am going to add you to my announcement group where I will be posting my trades, and then you may get some information. But this is up to you to take trade or not to take trade. But this is something I can give you, and this is the referral link. And to get added to this group, you need to send me an email. So with your phone number, then I can save your contact and then add to this. Okay. So and all the information what I'm sharing, the URLs, the email ID or something, I would be giving you in the video description. You can refer that and take action. So and then let me get into a chart where I had like drafted all the information to save the time. If you see, right, like March 22nd to April 12th, roughly 21 days, not roughly, like, it's a kind of exact 21 days and give me 8.93, which is close to 9% profit. So here I have entered and here I exited simply because of RSI strategy, because it crossed below 40. You may ask why I didn't enter here. By the time I got to know this, it was on March 22nd, not on this. I would have definitely entered here if I had got to know on that day, which is the 21st February. Maybe due to I was like I had deployed my money into some different stocks. During that time, I was not having money. That might be the reason. I might be like away. So because of that, I didn't enter. But as per strategy, I would have entered here. But still, I would have made some decent profit. Let me show you that also. If I had entered here, then I would have made close to 5% in 47 days, which is fairly fine if you compare RDFD. But here, like I was lucky so that I could enter here and I exited here. So even after this, if it crossed more than 60, there is a possibility it may go up and there's a possibility it may come down. So as per our strategy, we try to follow the strategy 40 to 60, which can return a decent profit. So that's it. So if you have any questions, this video may answer you like for all of your questions. And even after that, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment for this video or this current video. I try my best to answer those questions. So again, the disclaimer is that this is not a recommendation. This is just for educational purpose, and I'm sharing my experience. That's it. Thank you, guys.